Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Hello, Luma48. Yeah, you can watch. Nice. Oh my god, what is that? That is... Okay. Nice. That was there last time I did a stream, so I don't know what's up with that. Right, so I was messing around with stuff with a friend, Mark Kangela. I don't know if he's in the stream or... I don't know. He's probably working on his own Beat Saber map making AI, which is really cool. But right now, we figured out how to read files on the Wii so that we don't have to store data in like this mess of a thing, data.inline. So what we're gonna try to do is fix up the texture system. Oh god, what happened here? Okay, there's no errors, nice. Fix up the texture system so that we can load texture from the actual Wii instead of have them stored in our code. And then we're going to try to read the Wiimote data because I have the samples over here for reading Wiimote data. So we're going to try to debug that and maybe get it working. Hello, young Master Luma. Welcome to the stream. Oh, I got a ping on Discord. Can't watch the stream today. Okay. No problem. Yeah, what's it suggesting here? Use range-based for loop. I can do that and then erase from it? No, I can't. Why you do this? Okay. Right, so the thing that I did was remove, like, completely get rid of this function, and now we just have this. Who uploaded those samples? For Wii Use, the library? You'll be using your textures? Yes. Hello, Toon Raccoon. What's up? Just started streaming. We're trying to do whatever this is. Read textures from the Wii. Because if I go over to Dolphin and I open up the demo, this demo uses files and they are being read successfully. It's reading 3D models, it's reading textures, it's reading, I guess, lights. And how I did this was basically I mounted the SD card that the Wii reads from into a drive, into a removable disk here. Oh, it's gone. Nice. And I just dropped all of the assets in there, and now it reads them. So we're going to try to read the PNG files. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty well. It's not as hot today as it was other days, so I can, like, not melt. Like I was melting yesterday. Besides that, I don't know, my day's been doing pretty good. Didn't get much done, but I mean, that's confinement for you. You're just stuck at home and should be productive, but you're really not productive. It's been hot in Europe, yeah. Okay, so I gotta re-download the textures that we had for the blocks, or maybe they're still stored here. Not sure. I think GIMP is what we want to use. Oh no, it has to open. Oh, come on. This is why I don't use GIMP. Okay. Oh no, it's the black and white block. Oh, well, we can use that. No! I didn't mean to close it. We can use that for now. Can you check your DMs when you get the time? Oh yeah, I did see your DMs. I just didn't have the time to respond because I was voice chatting. So you're saying that you can make a WAD for Beat Saber, which is, I guess, a file that you can install. And yeah, I'd appreciate that, except we're not really at the point in which that's a focus. So, like, sure, we can do that once the game is done, but right now it's really not close to being done. Hello, _5H Meklas _. I hope I pronounced that right. I don't know how I'm supposed to pronounce it, but I hope that's good. Yeah, I guess let's just export here. Oh god. PNG has EXIF data. Let's just remove all of this. Save. Sure. Export. Neat. I didn't know PNG had that many options. So now the block is here, nice. And we should be able to just pop it into the SD card. And that should work. So let's go to the Dolphin user directory, which I think is just Dolphin emulator, or documents, Dolphin emulator, and we sd.raw. And this file, we have this tool called imdisk virtual disk, and it lets you mount the SD card. You'll see it appear right here. And now we can paste stuff into the data. So we don't need all of this. That was for the demo, so let's delete that. The SD card. I like how it emulates the SD card speeds, like it's really slow. Unmount it, yes. There we go. Hello, I don't know how to pronounce your name, I'm sorry, but welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. How much of Beat Saber's code did you reuse? This is written from scratch, meaning that it's probably all bad code, knowing me. Okay, let's see if this works. So we also need the block inside of our game directory in here. Let's just make data and paste it in here. So now if we run it, it should have read the file correctly. Oh boy. Cannot open include file, BT bullet dynamics. Why are we including physics world? You know what, I don't care. Let's just make it, let's just resolve the errors without actually making our code good. So we just need to copy that. Bullet is basically a physics engine that I guess game uses, but we're not using, so I'm not sure why it wants it, but let's just paste it in here because it will make the code work. So at this point, I don't really care. I just want to see it work. Oh no. Unresolved external symbol. Oh no. That's the worst type of C++ error. Load PNG is defined. So what's up with this? We are including importer.h in the demo, and here we are also including importer.h. I hate when that happens. You think you solved the issue and it spits back an error. Yeah. I mean, we fixed the compiling. Now we have the linking to worry about, which is what I hate about C++, is you have to worry about where functions are everywhere. I mean, it forces you to make good code, which mine is not. But it'd be nice if it just kind of worked. You know? Where's the linker? Additional library includes. Yes. So this is what we want. I think this is what we're missing. We're just stealing from demo at this point. Why are you stealing from demo? Linker general, additional libraries, edit, and let's just add the thing and pray it works. Please just work. Debug, start new instance. Oh, come on. Unlike Java. Yep. Okay, you know what would be really dumb since I don't feel like dealing with this? Let's just like copy this into here. We can deal with it later. This is a terrible idea, by the way. Don't do this when you have code errors. Oh no. Okay, yeah, now the stuff from here is giving you errors. So we shouldn't do that, and we didn't do that. No one saw anything. Now, how do we... What's the problem? Because we're linking with importer, which is the library that imports things. Ignore import library. Let's look at the settings for demo. copy that. We probably don't have that in ours. Input, yeah, we don't. Okay. That should be it. Debug, start new instance. Yes, it works. Okay. So now it's just not reading it because we're dumb. Let's look at the assert. Has succeeded is false, so it didn't find the file. That makes sense because we're probably not running it correctly. Let's build it and let's run the exe from over here. Okay. Now that's annoying. Because we do have block.png here. What are we trying to load? Texture path. What is texture path? Oh, data/block.png. Well, obviously, since it doesn't exist. This should work. Let's see. Debug, start new instance. Welcome, Chris Carriero, to the stream. How are you doing today? Okay, where are we now? So file name is data/block.png. And how does demo, which we are stealing from, do it? Data/font.ttf. Okay. Forgets the PNG he needs. Yep. Now that's an issue. I don't see a problem with this. Data/block.png. Look at data/block.png. Okay. Let's breakpoint here. Let's go back here. Let's just rerun it. Oh, that's not what we wanted to do. Just want to start a debug instance. Oh, heck. We have to wait for this to finish. And error as always. Okay, debug, start new instance. Okay, so which one of these is going to return? Oh, literally this one. Okay. So, file name, file status. What is stat? That's not helpful. So it takes stat64i32, which is that. Okay, nope. I'm out of here. The heck is going on? Okay, so it's probably just not finding the file. But I'm not sure what this if statement is. Oh wait, it's right there. Okay, file does not exist. So how do we make it exist? What if I copy block.png here and then just make it access block.png? Start new instance. How far are you right now? Well, we're trying to load things and we're failing at reading files. We're trying to read files right now, is the deal. Oh, now it reads them. Nice. Okay, so we're reading PNG files. That's good. That's what that's how far we are, by the way. Those two are meant to be the Sabers, but we don't have a Saber image. Though now we can make a Saber image. So let's go do that right now. Actually, I should probably figure out. I think I know what the issue is, but I don't know how to fix it. So I'm thinking that the exe file here, when we're running it, it's actually just accessing things from the same folder as it, but when it runs from Visual Studio, it doesn't run in the same folder. Will you perhaps use 3D models? Yeah, for now we're just hard coding cubes, but yeah, we can do 3D models later. So I'm gonna go into everything, because of course everything. and we want to look for sample 0d underscore v142.exe. Why does it have a recipe? Okay, this is the only existence of it, but there is this debug thing where I guess it is built. Let me look at the output. Yeah, no, it is running this exe file. Not sure then. I guess we'll just run it from outside for now. And not worry about that. So if I keep data slash block and delete this block and build it now. Oh wait, then we can't use breakpoints though if we don't run from here. Ah. Okay, that's annoying. I mean, we could just make it absolute paths for now. So I can do load PNG texture path, then we do a char pointer texture path equals just the direct path over to this. Oh god, we have to replace backslashes with forward slashes. Sample 0 slash, and then we do plus text path. This isn't going to work, is it? No. We can do std string that. Okay, std string texture path equals this plus that, and then we do texture path dot cstring. I don't understand strings in C++. Texture path dot append text path. There we go. So theoretically this should run. So d/we/, okay. There we go. Okay, now we're reading files from within Visual Studio because we're using direct paths to them, which works. It's just not nice for like outside of Visual Studio, but let's test within Visual Studio for now. Okay, so now we can make a Saber texture, which is much needed, and then we can start getting the WeMotion Plus working, which I'm really dreading, which is why I've been putting it off. But let's make, oh, now we can use paint.net, which is nice. Let's make a Saber texture real quick. So let's do new, width of 32, height of 128. That is not, C++ can be weird, which is why stick to C and C#. C is the same as C++, just worse. Okay. Where was the thing that I was looking for? Alright, I want to look at the Sabers. How they work. SP Saber is 0.1 by 1.0, so it's 10 times higher than tall, I think. So no, don't maintain pixel, no. That's not a multiple of 2 though. What's the multiple of 2 that's closest to this? 2048, I guess. Okay, that works. Wait. I am confused. The Saber is... Wait, what was I thinking? It's 32 by 320. So the closest thing is 56. Yeah, 256. Let's just do 32 by 256. I was going way too high. Okay, that's good. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and let's just what does a Wiimote look like? Let's draw just a line around it, I guess. Let's zoom in. That's undo. That's not zoom in. That is Control Shift Z. No. Control Y. Okay. Just like pencil. Oh no. Okay. Nice. We'll fix that later. Oh my god. I really suck at doing straight hand motions. It's fine though, we can just fill the center with it. There we go. Plus equals D-pad. Oh yeah. Okay, let's select that. Let's go to white and just fill it with white. There we go. Okay, now we just need the A button. Oh god. Circle. Nope, that's moving things. No, it's not what I meant to do. Okay, there we go. Circle. About that big, I guess. Now let's move it. Pretty much centered. Okay, beautiful. That's the A button. Now let's move it down more. That is not what it looks like. I'm gonna look up Wiimote. Oh, we're missing the D-pad. That's what's so wrong with it. Okay, let me make this one of the sides and this the other. My god, this stream can just be called person struggling to make a Wiimote for the entire stream. Let's make a D-pad. Yes, it's not measured since this is probably temporary texture. Actually, I do want to just rotate that. There we go. Beautiful D-pad. Let's make the home buttons and stuff. So that will be about here, here, here. God, that looks so off-centered. I'm gonna have to move some of these. Probably temporary. Can you help me with the remotes? Anything with drawing? Well, I mean, if you want to, I think I've got it covered. Like, I can actually draw pretty decently if I take time, and I don't use like paint.net. But yeah, I mean, if you want to contribute, then sure, go for it. Beautiful. Okay. Then we can make the player squares. That. Oh my god, this is so bad. Since I'm not measuring anything. Okay, beautiful. And then we just have this grid, which, again, since this is temporary, I'm just going to use the fill bucket and change the fill to something like this. Beautiful. Oh my god, okay. Now we can move everything down because they're meant to be... Actually, should they be down? Because you hold them here. Oh, we're missing the power button. Hold up. Definitely have to move it down for that. I'll be right back. Okay, see ya. There we go. Actually, let's make the power button. No, we don't have color for now. And the award for best artwork goes to the Suncat for his masterpiece. Notice that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. I mean, I really put a lot of effort into it, as you can probably tell. Saber, sorry, not Wiimote, Saber. Saber.pdn. Okay, beautiful. And then I have to merge the layers. Why are you drawing the Wiimote? Basically I just wanted to make a really bad representation of the Wiimote to load it into the game and just have a Saber texture for now. And then we can like actually get real textures going. But yeah, this is definitely temporary. I'm gonna be like 2 months later and it's still gonna be here. Do you know someone named No Name back then? Rings a bell, yeah. Think. Saber.png. You're here making Beat Saber Wii Edition while you're trying to break your Mario Galaxy game file. Well, good luck with that. That sounds like fun. Okay, so now we have Block and Saber. The Saber should get its own material. So we're going to make a material pointer that's going to be Saber material. Just, you know, casually copy this. The Saber mat. Why are we calling them materials? Let's call them mats. Okay, there we go. P Saber mat. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, and P Saber mat. And now we want Saber. There we go. That should be what we want. You weren't able to watch yesterday's stream, but you can watch this. Nice. Well, welcome to the stream. You didn't miss much. We didn't get much done yesterday. Today we're going to do Wiimote tracking. I'm going to play this in actual Beat Saber. Good, good. That's not good. What is this exception? You always call them mats, and then people ask what I'm talking about. They think you're talking about the thing. Yes. All-purpose mats are the best mats. Okay, so destination doesn't exist, source doesn't exist. Oh, it just can't read the data. Okay, well let's restart and let's like step through it. So I'm going to breakpoint here. I'm going to check that the Saber exists and that it opens. Yep, definitely looks like it opens. 64 by 64. This is 32 by 256. Nice. Okay, so let's run it. And step into load PNG. We want to go into that. Decode PNG. Okay. So this PNG, I guess that's the header, that's the size, it maps, usage, map count, okay. Did you get any data? Raw image, lots of zeros, and lots of image looking data. Okay, that's good. And then I think this is the mem copy that fails. So raw image is 4096 and size is less than 4096. 24576, 24576. Okay. Oh, that works. What? Where was the error? You know any PHP? No, I don't. What? Was that just a one-time error? Okay, that looks really messed up. Saber.png looks like this, and in the game, it looks like this. Oh. Okay. What if I run it again? What do you want from me, Visual Studio? What the heck? Let's breakpoint this and stop it, and then run it again. Size is 16384. 16384. Okay, that's not the one that errors. 24576. 24576. 4096. And that. What? Now it works. It works if we breakpoint it, but not if we don't breakpoint it. Except the data seems corrupted. If I look at it. Is it corrupted though? If I screenshot it and then go into paint.net and then brighten that up, let me just turn off the pixel grid. Okay, brightness. What is that? Could that be the pattern that we drew? Microsoft are giving you errors on purpose. They don't want people developing for Nintendo systems. Yeah, that's right. It's actually what's going on. I don't know how to use curves. Okay, well, I don't know what's going on. Let's just not worry about it. Let's work on Saber Wiimotion Plus things. So first thing we need to do is go over to Bluetooth and actually add the device. So Bluetooth. Right, let me get the Bluetooth. Ouch! I just destroyed my finger. Okay, let me get the Bluetooth adapter, which is over here. Get a Wiimote. Okay, I've got a Wiimote and a Bluetooth adapter. Let's plug that in. And let's see if we can connect the Wiimote. What are your PC specs? I have an Intel i7 770K. Oh boy. And a GTX 1660 Super. Here's noises. Yeah, that was me dying. Don't worry about it. Suncat left. What? No, I'm still here. I plugged in a Bluetooth dongle. Is it broken maybe? Let's see if I have another one. Nope, this is the only Bluetooth dongle I have here in the studio. I'd have to go get one from somewhere else, but nah, not worth it. Come on, please just work. Try to update your driver through Windows Update. Okay, I guess we're going to Windows Update. Try plugging it again. I want to update my Bluetooth drivers though. Update driver. Search automatically. BCM 2070 2A0. Exit out of settings. Oh, okay. Installed the Bluetooth things. And now I should have Bluetooth. What was that? Bluetooth and other devices. Yes, Bluetooth on. Okay, Bluetooth. Select the device or connect. Okay, so now I need to press the sync button on this Wiimotion Plus Wiimote that I got for my birthday. Oh, it doesn't have batteries inside. Let me get batteries. Here, I'll use my $30 VR batteries that cost way too much, but have been the only batteries I've had a need for ever since I bought them, since they're actually great. If you need batteries for VR and you keep running out of batteries, you should get Eneloop batteries. It says input. Is that the Wiimote? Is the Wiimote meant to be called input? Oh, there we go. Enter the pin. Wait. Someone's talking about this on the server. Windows 10 updates or something, connect the Wiimote to your PC. You have to go on special menu in devices and printers section of control panel. Okay. So, printers and scanners. You can't remember the exact process. Devices and printers, add device, pair the Wiimote, go to controllers and Dolphin. No, but it asks me for a password. Okay, I know that there's, go back to Bluetooth on the right. Yeah? You have a Toad Wiimote? Hey, same! That's the Wiimote I got for my birthday, is a Toad Wiimote. I always kept on running out of Wiimotes to play stuff, so a friend gave me a Wiimote. It's pretty cool of them. Just Wiimote in 2019. So where do I go now? That's a device with no name. Oh, but that doesn't leak my address. Under related setting, oh, devices and printers. Okay, nice. And then, according to your Discord, add a device. Oh, okay. There we go. How do you run out of Wiimotes? Well, I have one, two, a third one that I used to have that I gave to a friend, and then this one. And we were like 5 or 4. Okay, well, I guess my computer's not powerful enough to pair a Wiimote. Since it froze. Now it's back. Let's just not do that. Okay. Does that work? If I go into Dolphin and boot like Mario Galaxy, will that work? Let's go into SMG old clean system main.dol. Let's switch over to real Wiimote. Hello, Keen. Where was I going? Right, controllers. Real Wiimote. So, how do I connect? It's just the 4 lights are blinking right now on my Wiimote. When the Wiimote on, like press the power button. Like the 4 player lights on the Wiimote are blinking. Try restarting Dolphin. Okay. Yes. Dolphin. That's config. Open main.dol. Wiimote 1 disconnected. Real Wiimote. Continue scanning. And in the settings, I mean, you get to see my ISP, but the Wiimote is no longer here. Go back to Dolphin. Okay, I'm in Dolphin. At this point, I'm just spamming A. This is fun. The settings are the same as yours. Well, I mean, there's just one checkbox. So, this is fun. See, I'm gonna add it again. This time from the Windows settings. Ah, okay. So if I just enter a random pin, that pin didn't work. Ah, maybe 0000. Okay, we have to go to devices and printers, add device. You just skipped Good at Galaxy completely. Nice. Next. Okay, now it says it's connected, except we're in the blinking light state, where it's just blinking lights. God, I never have any luck with Bluetooth. If you added it once, you have to do it again. Okay, well, what I see right now are just the blinking lights on the Wiimote. Like, all of the lights are blinking. Okay, and now it's just gone. Oh, now it's back. Oh, it worked. I don't know what I just did, but it worked. What was that? Okay, well, I hope it doesn't disconnect. What were my settings? Controllers, continuous scanning, real remote. In here it's connected. In here it looks like that. I go over here. Can I change the calibration? No. Obviously, because it's a Wiimote. Okay, so now this should work. I should be able to play. Let me just test it with Mario Galaxy. Get a nunchuck real. Okay, how about I'm in nunchuck? Neat. Okay, that seems to work. I don't have a sensor bar, but that's fine. Let's not get copyrighted for music. That's always fun. Right. So now, it is time to try to read Wiimote data. So, this is what I've been dreading. Let's see if this works. So, let's copy this entire function here. Yes. Into, I guess, init. So, initialize. Oh, I'm dreading this. Okay. Fun. So, Wiimote. This is the library that we have. Cannot resolve symbol Wiimote. That's fine though, because we need to add the include directories of we use. So if I go back to everything and look up we use, that's devkitpro /libogc/include/we use. Oh, okay. So if I go into here and I go into include directories, let's look at this. Okay, so we need to go up one more than these. Let's do ... slash. God, that looks so wrong. Then let's go into DevKit Pro. Into libogc slash include slash we use. Libogc slash include slash we use. Okay, okay. So now we should be able to just include we use. So let's go into here, hashtag include we use.h. Yes. Okay, good. And now all of the errors have left. Nice. You hear the ambulance in the background. Oh no, I'm so sorry that you have to hear that. That's basically the only thing that I hear, the only noise from the road. We live next to a really big road, and the insulation is really good on the sound, so we can't hear the cars. And on like one side, it's just gardens, and there's no noise in the garden. But on the other side, there's a loud road. And the only thing that gets through these walls is the hecking ambulances and police in France. It's horrible. Anyways, that's my life right now. Wiimotes is not a typo. Please add Wiimotes to my computer. Join declaration assignment. Yes, do that. Make it nicer code. Here, let's do that as well. Okay, number of Wiimotes I want to create is 2. Actually, let's do 1 for now since we only have 1. Now we need to give some Wiimotes given the function the Wiimote array we created. Please add Wiimote to my dictionary. Okay. The Wiimote array we created and tell it here. Our max Wiimotes. Okay. Timeout is 5 seconds. Okay. Good. If not found, no Wiimotes found, and return false. We failed to initialize. Connect the Wiimotes. Given that we found some Wiimotes, connect to them, give the function of the Wiimote array and the number of Wiimote devices we found. This will return the number of established connections to the found Wiimotes. Okay. So max Wiimotes is 1. If connected to Wiimotes, else return false. Does this current version already work? I mean, it can read songs, if that's what you mean. If I just go over to over here, sample 0. Like right now, we are reading a proper song from the game. If it displays it, we're reading a Beat Saber song, but you can't actually play it. Right now, we're setting up reading from Wiimotes Zipbar. Also, welcome to the stream, by the way. How are you doing today? I connect the Wiimotes, given that we found some Wiimotes, connect to them. We'll turn the numbers that, okay. So we already looked at that, nice. Set the LEDs in Rumble for a second so it's easy to tell which Wiimotes are connected, just like the Wii does. Okay, so why does this want 3? Wiimote, LEDs, and CMD, BLK, CB, CB. What does that mean? CMD, BLK, CB. Type def void Wiimote data length. What? Okay, I guess they've updated the library since. We use set LEDs. Okay, we're not using the LEDs. It seems. That's not the type of comment I was trying to do. Okay, comment that out. Okay, and since we only have 2 Wiimotes, let's do that. Okay, if we use Win32, okay. Oh, that's just, okay. So std this thread Sleep. Let's not set the rumbles, I guess. Or, well, I'm guessing this is going to be a mod. No, this is actually homebrew that you can run on the Wii. I mean, that's the objective. I have no idea if we're going to finish it, but how do I? How do I sleep? Wire sleep? Is that not a thing? Wait, no. STD. Okay, we're Googling this. C++. Wait, 1 second. Sleep milliseconds. Okay. Just sleep 2000. Beautiful. Okay. Controls, blah 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 blah. Okay, good. Maybe I'm interested in battery power. We can get the status. Okay, this is the main loop. We don't need the battery power. This is the main loop. We use pull, needs to be called with the Wiimote array and the number of Wiimote structures in that array. It doesn't matter if some of those Wiimotes are not used or are not connected. When I restart a project, will I finish it? Maybe. It honestly doesn't matter. I like watching this guy. Thanks. It will set the event flag for each Wiimote when the Wiimote has things to report. Okay. Neat. We use okay, I guess it's not a thing. While true. Yes. This happens if something happened on any Wiimotes, so go through each one and check if anything happened. Okay. Why does int I have to be outside of this? This is so bad. Int I equals 0. Oh my god, don't use pre-increment, it looks worse. Okay. So what we need to worry about is not status, not disconnect. Okay, we need handle event. We don't need nunchuck inserted. We don't need a classic controller or Wii board or Guitar Hero 3. Yeah, no, okay. Let's not worry about that. Okay, and then disconnect the Wiimotes. Nice. Okay, so I'm guessing this has to be in a thread. For now, let's just select all of this and comment it out. And let's see if we can actually do this rumble thing at all. So let's do debug, start new instance. Please just work out of the box. What? What was that error? Okay, now it's gone. What is LWP node? my god. LWP node we use. Neat. Wayback Machine time? Oh, come on. Google Cache. There we go, Google Cache to the rescue, question mark. Okay, well that's not helpful. Go to the documentation of this file. This file has documentation. Okay. Where's LWP node? Dev kit pro. What? I'm so confused. LWP underscore node. This is from LWPQ.h. What? Okay, so let's go before the we use import, I guess, and try to include. I really don't like this, but let's try it anyways. So this is inside LWPQ. LWPQ. This is inside of include OGC. Okay, so let me just copy full name to clipboard. Go into sample 0. That is NVIDIA Insight. We don't want that. We're not using NVIDIA for this. And then go into here. Add this. Instead of like sucking, we can do this instead to make it relative. There we go. So theoretically, that should allow us to include LWPQ. LWPQ.h, and I see the issue. I think I added the actual file itself as an include directory. Yeah, I did. Include OGC. Okay. So question mark, question mark, question mark, winky face. Oh boy. Where's GC types.h? Instead of libogc/include. Okay, so instead what we're gonna do is not make it specific to we use or OGC. We're just gonna delete that and then click OK. And then here we're going to include /we use /that. And here it's going to be, I forget, maybe we don't need this anymore. Come on, just work, please. I want to test out the Wiimotes. Okay, so we still need LWP node, which was inside of LWP Q, which was inside of OGC. Okay, so we should be able to just do OGC/that. Yes. Will this work? Probably not. Let's try it. heck is going on? Come on. I want to see the error. Just refusing to let me show me the error. I mean, like, obviously it's missing some includes, but I don't know what we're missing specifically. Unknown override specifier. Biit is defined here, but LWP node not. That's defined in LWPQ, which is this mess. So let's look up libogc hashtag include WeUse. No. Okay, nice. It's a tutorial in French. Why not? WeUse. Utilization of WeUse. Beautiful. Let's pull up Google Translate. Actually, no, that makes it worse. Include SDL. Really? Does he ever show the full source code? These samples work with OG Wiimotes? Well, I mean, this is definitely not going to work without Motion Plus, the Beat Saber. What the heck is he doing? That's pretty cool, but like, oh god. GC core, maybe we need that. Oh boy. System.h, GC types, time to plug the nugget into the bottom of the OG controller. Yeah, or use your toad, yeah. You have to do that. I don't understand what you want from me. WeUse. Maybe libWeUse.a is necessary. Let's go over to properties and linker. No, those are .lib files. Sure. This is a great idea. Let's go. Come on, I just want to use WeUse. We're brought down by these two node things, these stupid nodes. Let's see, what is LWPQ? Let's look at this file real quick. Does the game have a trailer? No, we're like barely getting started with it. Where's LWP underscore node? LWP underscore node. Oh, here. Okay. So let's just sort of like, you know, just do this. Maybe that's what we want. Nodes are stupidly annoying. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so we're having linker issues, which means we need to, I don't know how to use C++. I think we need to add .lib files. Maybe there's a libogc.lib file. libogc.lib, no. So let's look at d:/we, oh, \we, \that.lib. Okay, there is literally nothing that we can include from there. I'm so confused. How do we use the we use files? Where are the we use definitions? It's like it's telling me like we use find isn't find, and they're externs, which means I don't know what that means. Connect.c. Do we need connect.c? Where's connect.c? That's helpful, thanks. d:\we \that. How do I search like in a path? Search. No. Advanced search. So located in d:/we, and we want this exact phrase, connect.c. It doesn't exist. Awesome. It's all part of learning. I tend to figure out things the more and more I work on them. Every day I learn something new with what I'm working on, whether it's coding or Blender. Yeah. I just wish I knew what I was doing for this, because C++ is great as a coding language, but there's a few things like this that I just don't know how to deal with. And like, I really want to learn, but I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I know we need the include directories, right? So we know what the function definitions are for example, the we use thing. So we know what the functions are, and then we need to link like a DLL or something. Maybe there's a .dll file. I should check that. d:\we, and then we can do \that.dll. Ooh, there are things here. There's emphasis. But is there we use? No. Open path. Okay, that's not what we want. Can I use .a files? Link.a file. Visual Studio. Okay, so I can add the .a file accurately. Hold up. This might be what we need, because I see lib we use here. So let's go over, just copy that. Let's go into here, linker, and additional dependencies. We want, what did that say again? Additional library directories. Okay. I don't see that, but it's probably just changed. So I'm going to go into edit here, just add it here, just copy the full path or whatever. So I really just want this to work. Okay, okay, sweet, run. I just want to read Wiimote data. How hard is that? Cannot open file we.obj. Well, yeah, no wonder that it doesn't exist. I guess I have to specifically say lib we use.a. That would make sense. Okay, okay. And so that was specific files. Okay, let's see. Let's copy this. What was this guy saying? Linker, input, additional dependencies. Linker, general. So additional library directories. Let's go to edit here. Oh, we already have that there. Lib we use.a. What the heck? Come on. You gotta have dinner now, enjoy the stream. You like watching these educational streams. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm probably gonna finish soon too. God. Oh wait, invalid or corrupt file. Hold up. Cannot read at 0x75c24. Let's open with hxd. Is this valid? Seems to be valid. What was that at the end? We use set motion plus. Okay, these are all the symbols, I think. So let's go to hex 75c24. 75c24. That is the end of the file. What is this link error? Oh, well, yeah, because it's an A file, but I don't know how else to give it this file. Let's remove it from here, maybe? What about now? Okay, well now it doesn't get that error, but now it doesn't get the A file at all. I'm just so confused. It's like right here it is getting it, because the A file is inside of libogc/lib/we. Oh my god. What do you want from me? There's we use .a, we use .h, and here we use .lib. That sounds good. Hold up, what if I put this in like the lib directory, just here, and just like add d:\we. That sounds like a bad idea, but let's try it. Since like, I don't know what else we can do. Let's go into everything, copy full name, there we go, apply. What if I run it now? I mean, okay. What if I delete this? Debug, start new instance. Okay, let's add it back. And then what is the error? It wants the DLL, right? We use .dll. Okay, so I hate doing this, but let's try just copy pasting the DLL. We use .dll. Okay, now let's go into, I guess, sample 0. CMD, sample 0, no Wiimotes found. Okay, well at least it builds now. Let's see, debug, start new instance. Okay, it found it at least. Now let's just breakpoint over here and see what's up with that, because my Wiimote is still connected. Found equals 0. Hello, Minecraft misters. I'm sadly about to end the stream actually, but thanks for coming over. Any new things? Yeah, we're trying to get WiiUs to work, but it doesn't want to cooperate. So I'm just going to go into found and just like, can I modify it? Yes. Yep, we totally found one Wiimote. Okay, it didn't connect to them. Let's go over here and let's just like, yes, we definitely connected to it. What? Oh. Okay, that definitely did not make my Wiimote rumble. We don't want WiiU's win though. I mean, I don't think so. Okay, let me extract all of this. Go into here. We use example. CMD. No Wiimotes found. What do you mean? I have many Wiimotes. I have one Wiimote specifically. Okay, I think this library is just broken. Let's figure it out tomorrow. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I'll be on the Discord server for a bit after this, and I'll try to figure it out for tomorrow. See y'all. Bye.